How to hide phone number from Facebook page. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to hide phone number from Facebook page. In order to hide phone number from Facebook page, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. The first thing is you have to go and log into your Facebook page. And once you're logged into your account, you have to go ahead and tap the profile icon from the top left hand side, and here you'll be able to see this sort of interface. Go to about section, and under it go ahead and select see your about info, and here you can see this is my phone number. So in order to make changes, click the edit button and then tap the lock icon located in the top right hand side corner. Then tap the lock icon, and as you do that, you'll be able to see statement as public, friends only, or only me. You have to go ahead and select only me, and as you've done that, and you've successfully hid your phone number from Facebook page. So that is how you can hide your phone number from Facebook page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.